To perform an ultraviolet bulb change on the RCD-3, press this button here to release the tray containing your ultraviolet bulbs. Once the tray is at a vertical angle, simply grab either side, pull the bulb towards you, lift and remove. Repeat on the second bulb, only this time push the bulb away from you, lift and remove. Placing the new bulbs in, place the bulb at an angle until it completely passes the holster, and when you place it in, ensure it is lined up properly, snap it into place, and repeat on the bottom bulb. The bulb change for the ultraviolet has been completed.